In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Firebase authentication for secure user registration and login. Connect your API key and URL. Use blocks to check credentials, switch screens, and handle errors. First, a quick overview. Firebase authentication is built for secure sign-in. It's different from simply storing usernames and passwords in the real-time database. With Auth, Firebase handles credential verification and security rules for you. If your app builder supports a Firebase Auth component or an extension, use that for the full feature set. If not, you can do very basic checks with real-time database tags, but avoid storing raw passwords and understand that it's not as secure. Start by connecting your project. In Firebase, note your project's web API key and your database URL. In your app builder, open the Firebase or Auth component, then paste the API key and database URL into the appropriate fields. Make sure you've enabled the email or password sign-in method in your Firebase console so registration and login calls will work. Let's set up registration. Create input fields for email and password. In your blocks and when the user taps sign up, validate that both fields are filled and that the password meets your minimum length. Call the auth create user block with the email and password. While the call runs, disable the button and show a loading indicator so users don't tap multiple times. On success, immediately route the user to your dashboard screen. Optionally, you can write non-sensitive profile data under a user tag in the real-time database for later use, but never store plain text passwords there. Now for login. On the sign-in button, run the auth sign-in block with the email and password. Again, show loading feedback and re-enable controls after the call returns. If sign-in succeeds, navigate to the dashboard. You can store a simple isLoggedIn flag in app storage and check it on apps start to skip directly to the dashboard for returning users. If your builder doesn't have an auth extension, a basic real-time database fallback might compare an entered email against a user tag and verify a securely stored value. This is only acceptable for simple demos and requires careful handling. For production, rely on Firebase Auth. Finally, handle errors clearly. If the email is already in use, suggest logging in instead. For invalid emails or weak passwords, prompt the user to correct their input. If the password is wrong or the user doesn't exist, show a concise message without exposing details. Also handle network timeouts by asking users to retry. Add a sign out button on the dashboard that clears session flags and returns to the login screen. That's the full flow. Connect with your API key and URL, register and log in using blocks, switch to a logged in dashboard, and provide meaningful error handling for a polished user experience.